of shabu worth millions and millions of pesos. Drug money killed 175 and wounded 2,001 of my soldiers and policemen in that 5-month battle. I am aware that we still have a long way to go in our fight against this social menace. Let the reason why I advocate the imposition of the death penalty.
Hindi po tayo pantay-pantay sa ilalim ng ating sistema, kaya ayaw kong magkamali ang isang juez to impose the death penalty, because a death penalty imposed cannot be corrected if it was wrong. So it is basically, as a lawyer, I see a very inefficient justice system, which is the principal basis of my opposition to the imposition of the death penalty, because you cannot correct a mistake if you impose it.
Let's talk about the Senate first, no? The death penalty. I think that Majority Floor Leader Mig Zubiri was with Early Edition, and he said, well, he's still against it. He's pro-life, but then now it's more of a fair, it's more equal in the Senate when the debates will be held with when it comes to the death penalty. What are the chances?
I think...
I mean, it passed in the lower house.
Yes, but we suspended it in the Senate 2
Okay.
years ago. At dahil hindi masagot ng Department of Justice noon, at hanggang ngayon, I don't think masasagot ng DOJ, the question posed that if we reimpose the death penalty, won't we be violating our international obligations under the second optional protocol? You know, at that point, sabi ng DOJ, at hanggang ngayon, I think that will still be their position, hindi nila masagot. They haven't gotten back to us on that question. Kaya, I wouldn't say na pantay na yung timbang ng pro and anti-death pen. Confident pa rin ako, Karen, that we can cobble together a minority-majority